Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to create a file without any extension in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Normally, when you create a file using Notepad, Windows automatically adds a .txt extension. But sometimes you may need a file without any extension at all, especially for configuration files, scripts, or advanced tasks. So let's get started. First click on the start button and then type Notepad. In the search results, click on the Notepad to open the same. Now type whatever you want. After that, click on the file menu and select save as option. Now ensure you need to put double quotes for names just before and just after. I mean, you need to put the name in inverted comma. After that, click on the save button. Now to check it, just select it, right click and choose the properties option, and you will see type of file as file. And if you try to open it, Windows may ask you which app you want to use. That is completely normal, because the file has no extension to tell Windows which program should open it. And that's how you create a file without extension in Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.